Good morning and welcome to Preschool Online. It's Mrs. Mozingo. It's time for circle time. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and get started with today's date. It is June, and it is June 4th, 2020. We only have one more day of school this week. It is flying by. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song so we can figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Your turn. Are you ready? Get ready to sing. Here we go. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Excellent. And today, let's see. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. It's what day? Thursday. And since I know that song, I know what day of the week it is. And it is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. We have one more day of school, and then it'll be the weekend. Are you excited for the weekend? Let's see. I'm glad that you are here. I miss you all so much. We predicted sunny weather for today, and it is quite sunny outside. It's very hot, too. So stay cool. Make sure you drink lots of water today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow for our Friday? What do you think? I heard somebody say sunny. Sunny weather for tomorrow. All right, let's keep on going. And how about we do our alphabet? Are you ready to say our alphabet together? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome job. All right, here we go. Let's count. Going on with 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woohoo! Okay. Count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right. Looking at our shapes. Who can tell me what shape this is? A heart. This one is a circle. Here is a diamond or rhombus. This one is a rectangle. This one is a square. Awesome job. All right. There we go. Let's sing our shape song. Can I get really in?
Adapted Mind Math! Come explore the site with me.
2,
I'm in first grade, so
1.
I'll pick that.
Skip. Here we go. Here we go. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star.
Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape name game, that is what we like to do.
Here we go.
Rhombus.
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 Rhombus. If it's not a rhombus, it's a diamond. Yes, good job. All right, what color is my triangle? White. What color is my fish? Orange. What color is sadness? Blue. How about this My Little Pony? What color is she? Pink. What color is the bus? Yellow. And chocolate bar. Brown. Good job. Our nursery rhyme this week is Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. Here we go.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here. Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear.
Mary? What happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is. If you add a dance. Come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
I always like that part. I kind of hate all of them. She's so silly. All right, we're working on our letters. We've done the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, O, and Q. And this week we're working on the letter G. That's right. And G says G, G, G. For the amazing G, gumball, a G, gorilla, a G, girl, and some G, gum. Awesome job. All right, are you ready? Let's sing about where we start our letters. Let's stand up. Where do you start your letters? At the top.
Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better.
Remember, starting at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters
At the top. Here we go. Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down.
Way down, is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Or do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters?
At the top. Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Great job, friends. All right, so we're ready to start those letters. There we go. So if you have your board, you're going to go ahead and grab your magic C. Grab that big magic C. Remember, the letter G is the magic C that swallowed a T. So we have our big magic C. We grab a little line down. And then we grab a little line to go across. And there's my G. So we say at the top, let's say it together. Are you ready? Here we go. Big curve. Little line up. Little line across. Ready? Let's do it again. Let's do it together. Here we go. Big curve. Little line up. Little line across. What letter is that? G. That's exactly right. All right. I hope you have a terrific Thursday and stay cool. And I will see you for a fantastic Friday tomorrow. Bye, everyone. I miss you. Big hugs.